Hi everyone, welcome back to Makes and Bakes. Today we're making a beautiful DIY wall decoration that's simple, fun, and perfect for brightening up any room. Let's get started. The materials you will need is a stick, a glue, a real flower of your choice, any sized canvas, and a paper according to the size of your canvas. Step 1. Roll your paper and glue it. Step 2. Stick all your rolled up papers onto the canvas. Step 3. Insert your flowers into the rolled up papers. Your stunning wall decoration is ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. See you next time!